Dakota.
Your face over here is funny.
No, move! Yeah! Okay. He just like totally scoots over until he's totally on her.
What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Are you trying to get out?
There it goes.
Come on, buddy.
Okay, now put it back there and they can stay back there.
I guess someone was playing on the bin a little too hard and flipped it over. 3 were inside. Did you guys do that? Oh, we're almost out. Hey, we did it!
Hurt herself.
She won't.
She hooks her.
That's ridiculous.
Nhìn lại thấy chứ, và tớ phân phân lại kìa nè.
Ha ha.